The Texecom Premier Elite system, we're going to allow the user to replace their own batteries. So take your fob, it must be a master user fob, place it up to the keypad, press menu. Do you want user menu? Press yes. We're going to scroll up until we get to start battery replacement. We're going to press yes, and we're going to press yes again. We can now go around our sensors, replace the batteries in the sensors. Once we've done that, we come back to the keypad. By that moment in time, the keypad is probably timed out, so we'll be back on the main screen. So we take our fob, place our fob against the keypad, press menu and press yes again, and then scroll to stop battery replacement. Press yes and press yes again, and you've stopped the battery replacements. Press menu and you'll go back to the main screen.